Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the predictive modelling tool in AssetAsyst. The first thing we'll want to do is make sure our assets are configured. Most of what we'll need can be found on the Units tab of the Asset Information form. We need to provide an initial cost for each component. This is essentially the construction cost in today's dollars. We already have a current cost for the entire asset in the Financial tab. This is calculated from the Structure class and the Geometry. Here in the Units tab, we tell AssetAsyst what percentage of the asset cost is made up from this unit. For example, these arches may represent 37.5% of the total value of the asset. We also have an algorithm that can pre-fill the percentages based on our engineer's suggestions of the relative value for each component type. Next, we need to know the year of construction. You can see that this column defaults to the year of construction for the overall asset. However, if we know the railings were replaced a few years ago, we can manually adjust. We'll also need an estimated life. AssetAsyst defaults this value based on the component type. However, we can manually tweak this if we want. You'll see that all of this is designed to make things easy for you, so you don't have to enter a multitude of data for each asset, but still gives you the power to tweak things to a fine degree. Finally, we'll choose a deterioration curve for this component. If we don't specify anything here, AssetAsyst will just use the default curve, but we may want to choose a specific curve for this component. You can define as many of your own custom deterioration curves as you want from the Predictive Modelling menu. Our asset is now set up and ready to go, but we'll also need some inspection data. That's where we derive the condition of the individual components. We need a completed condition inspection. As you can see, we have one here. We need to make sure the units are fully assessed. We're using a condition range of 1 to 4 according to the VicRoad standard. We'll also want to make sure we've specified an exposure class, because that allows AssetAsyst to determine a more accurate estimated life for the components. Now we're ready to begin modelling. We head over to the Predictive Modelling menu and create a collection. We give the collection a name and specify a methodology. Now we select the assets we want to deteriorate. In this case, I'll select a couple of bridges based on owner. AssetAsyst validates your data to make sure you're not missing anything required for the calculations. Then we click Finish and the deterioration begins. Once AssetAsyst has finished deteriorating our selected assets, we can export the results to Excel. Simply choose an asset from the drop-down and the information is presented to you. If you require further information, check out the AssetAsyst user manual in the Help menu, or call our help desk on 6323-1946, or email it@pitt&sherry.com.au.